In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer section in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and access the website you want to edit. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the option to edit your site and click Edit Website. This will open the Website Builder, where you can make changes to your page layout and design. After the editor loads, scroll all the way down the page until you reach the very bottom of your website. This part is important because the footer is typically placed beneath all of your main page content. Taking a moment to confirm that you're at the bottom helps make sure the footer is added in the correct location and keeps your site looking clean and professional. When you're at the bottom, click the Add Section option. This allows you to insert a new content block into your website. From the available section types, choose Footer. Hostinger will then show you different footer layouts that you can use. These layouts are designed to give you a quick starting point, so you don't have to build the entire footer from scratch. Select the layout that best fits the style and structure of your website. Once you click it, the footer will be added to your page. At this point, you can begin customizing it to match your branding and content needs. For example, you can adjust the text, update links, change colors, or modify the design elements so the footer blends naturally with the rest of your site. A well-designed footer is useful for giving visitors easy access to important information and making your website feel more complete. As you customize, try to keep the footer simple and organized. Since this section usually appears on every page, it should be easy to read and not overly crowded. That helps visitors quickly find what they need without distraction. Once you're done making your changes, click Update Website to save and publish the footer to your live site. This is the final step that makes your edits visible to your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a footer section in Hostinger Website Builder. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to create a footer that looks polished, fits your website's design, and adds a more professional finishing touch to your pages.